Hey friends, welcome to my channel and this is Iknoor. So today I will be showing you a mask that is cocoa and avocado based, and mainly this hydrates your face and gives you instant glow. So let's get started. First I will be using cocoa powder 1 teaspoon. Avocado butter. If you have fresh avocado you can use that also, 1 teaspoon. Aloe vera and vitamin E capsules. If you have vitamin E capsules you can use that also. A little bit of milk. So this is the way the consistency would look like. This mask is a little buttery and drainy, so it's difficult to apply this using a brush. I'm using my hand to apply this. You can adjust the consistency according to you. Add a little bit more butter. Avocado, as we all know, has amazing benefits for the skin and it is extremely hydrating, also gives you instant glow. Cocoa powder also gives you a dewy kind of finish and helps to reduce pigmentation and dark spots on your face, but for that you have to use it on regular basis. This face mask will always give you a healthy sort of look. You can apply this before you apply any makeup on your face. Don't skip applying this on your neck, it is very much important or your skin will not look even. I usually keep this mask for around 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off using cold water or a wet towel, whatever you prefer. So you can see the difference it has made to my skin. Looks much better now. You can apply some moisturizer after this. I am using this serum. I made this serum at home only. In case you want the recipe, you can mention it. If you have very oily skin, you don't need to apply anything because this mask is hydrating enough. Hope you enjoyed watching this video guys. If you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.